Hi guys, look who it is. This is Josiah Samuel David Chalmers the first. He's come to say hello.
Hi everybody.
Put some life into it, lad. Anyway, he just wanted to say hello in Grandad's video. Are you going now? You going back to your tablet? Okay. Go on then. No, leave that there. I'll sort that out. You have to get a box to stand on. Alright pal, I'll see you in a bit. The enthusiasm, it's unbelievable, isn't it? Okay. Another edit today, guys, because I'm using my one of my Christmas presents off of Angela. Look at this. Here we go. Are you liking that? That is my Sawdust Creations. There you go. Let's get it the right way up for you. Sawdust Creations 26mm Fanchurian badger knot. And what we're going to do is we're going to put that in the official John Shave Super Soaker to soften up. I'm going to go and take care of some stuff. I'll come back in about 10 minutes and we'll crack on with the shave. See you in a minute. And we're back. How are you all doing? Hey, here we go. As you've seen by the thumbnail, we've got a good one lined up for you today. But without further ado, right, every week on this channel we say to people we've got two SOTDs, your shave of the day and your slurp of the day. Today we're going to start off with the slurp. So good health to you all, Merry Christmas to you all, and a Happy New Year to everybody that's made John Shaves 101 the channel that it is today. Thank you to you all. Cheers. Jamshed Malbec, courtesy of a work colleague. Thank you, Nick. Okay, so, and the brush. It's been in there for about 10 minutes. Let's crack on. What else are we going to be using today? We're going to be using the timeless titanium ti95. You can see on the side there. I'll try and get it for you. And that's got my crown handle on it, yeah? With the scalloped head. We'll open that up. And what are we going to be putting in this at this time of year, John? This wonderful, magical time of year. We're going to be going somewhere over the rainbow. These are good blades, guys. I was put onto these by Monsignor Flash Boredom. If you're watching Flash, all the best to you, buddy. There you go. Look, once again, it says on the back, do not wipe. Ha ha, what a rebel. Got a Christmas card through the door the other day and it said on it, do not bend. I said to my wife, how am I going to pick it up then? But anyway, I digress. Here we go. Oh, hang on a minute. Let's have just hang on a minute. I've opened these fresh, this tuck fresh. And that was the first blade I pulled out. And that's how all the others are wrapped. Look at that. Isn't that strange? Fresh tuck of 5, that was one and that was the other. How bizarre. But anyway, now I've shared that with you. There we go. Look at it. Rainbow, super stainless. There you go. We'll put that in here. We'll put that on. Put the base plate on, John. That's always a good idea, isn't it? Do you know, it's because my mind, guys, is about 19 different places. And I have to be absolutely honest with you. I struggle when it's only got 2 or 3 different places to go to. So, there you go. There you go. There's the crown with the blade in. We'll put that in the cup next to the brush. That's it. We're going to be balming up with Frosty. They had 3 of these. One had Holly, one had Santa, one had the Snowman. I couldn't find the other 2. This was the Range Warehouse in the UK, and they were only £1. Pretty decent. Vanilla scented bag. Pretty decent stuff, actually. And now we come to the pièce de résistance. Do you remember, guys? Nearly sure that you've seen it anyway, haven't you? Do you remember when I went to Pasteur's and I said I brought several sets from Pasteur's? I bought one and gifted it. I bought a couple for myself and I bought one. And I remember the video when I came back The first video when I came back I said I bought another one and I can't tell you what that is yet. Well, swing, that was it. Silent Night by Hoffman's. Bought it in Pastors, and you should have seen the woman's face. It must have been 90 degrees, 70% humidity. It was ferocious, guys. And I'm there buying the Christmas set. But here we go. Pastors, Hoffman's. Guys, this is good stuff. It says, you know that feeling after your holiday meal with your family? No more presents to open. No screaming, no fighting. Just sit back in a recliner, front of your fireplace in total peace and silence. We proudly offer you Silent Night. The scent profile, guys, listen to this. Chestnuts, cedar, clove, brown sugar and vanilla. I get all of those scents. Do you know what this is, guys? This is absolutely Christmas in a shaving cream. There's the pour. Oh, I get the vanilla, I get the brown sugar. It smells like a rich, decadent Christmas cake to me, Christmas fruit cake to me. It's got reminiscence of PAA's Christmas keepsake fruit cake. If you've smelt that, you're here, but there seems to be a bit more brown sugar in this one, and I am looking forward to using that. And there it is, Silent Night by Hoffman's. He's on Instagram, I think he's on Facebook. Check him out, guys. This guy's range of stuff is absolutely phenomenal. I mean, scents, range of scents, should I say, is absolutely phenomenal. And the artwork is good too. That's it. Okay, here we go. So that's my shave of the day. That's my slurp of the day. Are we going to carry on and have a shave? Come on, let's do it. There you go. How are all your plans going? Everything's done. Apologies for the late video if you're waiting for it to go before now. I was very, very tired last night. We haven't really stopped. And again, this morning we had family coming over. We're exchanging gifts and so on. So, look at this, guys. Look at this. It doesn't do it duty. My phone doesn't do it justice. There's like a glitter. It's almost got that 3D glitter holographic effect. It's absolutely beautiful. First time this knot is being used, so if there's any problem, it's not the soap, it's going to be the knot, guys. And people say, oh, you know, you should ball lather it, you should ball lather that. Right, what we're going to do, well, load up on the brush, and even though it's for badger, we're going to lather onto the face. Look at this. Sawdust Creations. Go and check him out, Bobby Moffat. Like I said, we'll dip the tips. We'll get a bit more water in there. First time using this brush. It seems to be stealing the lather, doesn't it? It does actually. We're gonna do okay out of it. This is bizarre. It must be the brush. I didn't put a great one on it, did I? Come on. We'll dip the tips again. I'm still discovering, guys. I'm still discovering on my... there you go. Still discovering on my badger journey. Here we go. We're exploding now, it would appear. You shouldn't really need to tell me, should you? It would appear that hydration. Hydration is the key. I don't like a big scented beard lather. Anyway, so what we'll do is we'll put that down there. Put that down there. Check this out, look. All over the place. Okay. Here we go. ti95 titanium crown handle. Beautiful that, isn't it? Let's go. We'll do our Christmas shave. Yeah, it's going up a little later, this, guys, because Samantha and David came this morning. We had breakfast. We exchanged gifts because Samantha's not going to be here for Christmas, so she gave us out. Samantha already got me a gift a while ago. I'll show you that. It's the only shaving related gift. She got me some aftershaves and some balms and some chocolates and some wine, some whiskey. Dave got me some whiskey. Absolutely wonderful. But Samantha bought me a beautiful present, which I'm going to be using in next week's shave, Twixmas. And I'm saving it till then because David's bought me something that I'll be using in that shave too. But we're all done. We're all settled. Now it's just time to sit back and enjoy the season, you know. Have a wonderful shave. Spend the day with Josiah. Josiah's going home tomorrow. And that's it really. There isn't much to say, it's just all about families. Let's revisit the puck. It is, guys. It's a hard one. It is. I think the hard soap. I got some Hoffmans. I got 2 sets of Hoffmans. When I used the other one, Railroad Tunnel. And it was absolutely beautiful, beautiful scent. I think I'll be getting more Hoffman soaps, but this razor, guys, this titanium, timeless titanium, was a gift, and it's absolutely beautiful. So let me know what your shave of the day is, and come on, your other SOTD, please let me know what your SOTD is. You know what mine is, Jam Shed. I just had that for the sake of the video. It's about 1 o'clock, I think, there or thereabouts. I've got a lovely pot of coffee on the go. We had breakfast at 9 o'clock. We had bacon and eggs. I may just do myself a slice of toast later. We went to the store and we bought a store in Asda in the United Kingdom. It's called Walmart in the US and other parts of the world. And I don't know if your Walmart does it, but here we have counters where people make pizzas. And it's all raw ingredients. You get a raw pizza made up for you and they wrap it and then you take it home and cook it in your own oven. So that's what we're having. Later on we're going to have another glass of wine and a create your own pizza. This brush is wonderful. This knot is very, very soft. I think though, I'm guessing because it's such good quality, it's 26mm Fanchurian. If you know anything about them, please let me know. I'm still on my badger journey. I don't know a lot about badgers. I don't claim to know a lot about badgers, but I'm thinking because this is such a good quality now, it's going to have to be broken in, and it's going to take quite a few shaves to get it there, you know. So I'm thinking what I may do. Bobby Moffat said he was going to watch this video, so maybe he'll know. If you're out there and you know, how many shaves do you reckon? Before we get it broken, will you just know? Will you feel it, you know? It's already, you can feel the quality of it. Exceptional quality. And that handle, it's just wonderful. Really, really pleased to have that. There you go. So yeah, like I said, let me know what your shaves of the day are. What else? Christmas movies. Come on. I watched National Lampoon's Christmas Vacation. I've watched Christmas with the Cranks, and I've watched It's a Wonderful Life. I've seen one on the TV, Violent Night. Violent Night it's called. It looks comical, but I don't know, maybe a bit dark. But it's a Christmas film. Check it out. Here you go. Look, come on. Leather mittens. There you go. I mean, look at this, guys. Absolutely. Look at this. So there'll be one more shave. Actually, there may be two. I may do a little cheap midi-weeky one, Twixmas. And then next Saturday, I may well use the present from Samantha and David to give us a nice shave heading on into the new year. So whatever you're doing, have a wonderful time. Have a wonderful holiday. And remember, be the season. Be the season. We try and be it all year round, don't we, guys? All year round we try and do it. We try and be the change that we wish to see in the world. And remember, johnshaves101@gmail.com, because at this time of year feelings of loneliness abound, you know, and if you're feeling alone, don't. johnshaves101@gmail. Can't solve your problems, but I will answer you. What do you think, guys? Look at that. That's absolute BBS. That is a good shave. And here we go. Gonna be smelling like a Christmas cake. Put that there. Oh, wonderful. It's funny how you get one scent from the soaps and then they pick up something else magnified. Oh, get the vanilla. Oh, do. Oh. This, and it feels quite skin foody, that, guys. It does. It actually feels very skin foody. There you go. And we've got our little vanilla scented balm from the Snowman Range Warehouse. See if you can get some. There you go. Don't think you need a lot. Put it on there. And that's it. Well, I've just got a bit of that aftershave in my mouth. And it actually tastes really nice as well. And that's us, guys. Look at that. Look at that. We did okay, didn't we? We did okay. So remember, have a wonderful Christmas. Have a wonderful New Year. Whatever you're doing, whoever you're spending it with, all the best to you. And I shall see you on the other side. Cheers. Take care, guys. Bye.